book is Be the Lion, right?
That's correct. Yeah, Be the Lion.
Yeah. So I love the cover of the book. You know, when I was in Singapore, I was walking around the airport and I saw your book. It just stood out there.
Awesome.
It was, you know, it's a love it. You know, it's a
I'm
logo.
glad
It's
to
got
hear
the
that.
lion, lion logo. It's black background, and it just stands right out. And then it was reading the last part of it, and just going through it. It's beautiful. You know, and
Thank you so much. Yeah, I'm really
yeah,
glad to hear that you like the cover because I feel
yeah,
like it's a really strong cover, and I'm really
it's
proud
really
of
powerful.
what happened there. Yeah.
Yeah, and then I did some research, and I think I saw Ryan Serhant. He gave a really good testimonial as well, so it's really
Yeah,
cool. Yeah,
he
how'd you
did
get him?
indeed.
Yeah, how'd you get him, by the
Uh,
way?
that was one of the best moments of this year.
Yeah,
So again, it's about linking to opportunity. I wanted testimonials like that from someone that I admire, someone that's been a mentor to me,
yeah,
Ryan Serhant. And I essentially you spot an opportunity, but it may not look like what you think it needs to look like to get it. Obviously, I'd been sending books to Ryan, and
mm,
he's in the books. So I was like, thank you so much, and
yep,
trying to get in front of him. But that's not essentially the way that comes about. The
yeah,
way that it comes about is actually when you've got mentors like that, it's how can you help them achieve their goals, and are you actually what's your why? Like, what are they doing
mm,
that's inspiring you? And so he came out with this course, which is a really, really amazing sales course
yeah,
that I recommend his book anyway. Sell It Like Serhant. It's a
yeah. That's a great book.
beautifully
Yeah,
written. Yeah, it's a
yeah,
great book,
yeah,
and obviously I work in sales, so it really resonates. And things like when he flew to Paris to go meet Mr. X,
Mr.
and
X. Yeah,
like stuff like that. It's
yeah.
like,
Got an
yeah,
email.
that is
Yeah,
cool.
yeah,
So
yeah, yeah.
trying to apply that philosophy to
Mm,
Ryan is
mm,
going to speak to him.
mm,
And so then he put out this. I always follow like little things that people do on Instagram, or they have the one-off promotions and little things
yeah,
that they want to do to try and push new audiences down a certain route. And something he said was there was like this 24-hour thing where he's like, if anyone signs up now, I'm to the course,
yeah.
like I'll give you a testimonial video for your house that you're promoting,
Mm.
something like that, something like this, like
Oh, cool.
and so I was like, okay, cool. I'm not in real estate, but I
Mm,
think I can see how the pieces could come together here. So
yeah,
I jumped on, and it was really quick. It was like an 8-hour window. I bought
yep,
the course, followed up with an email, and then got into a dialogue with like the production guys, and was like, look,
yeah,
okay, I'm not actually in real estate. This
yeah.
course I know I'm going to love, but I'm actually an author, and what I would love, and there's actually a book in Ryan's office right now called Be the Lion, and I know
Yeah.
it's there because I got there. I've also sent another copy today, and that will be with you on Wednesday, that type of
Yeah.
thing. And so you're just making it easy
Mm,
for them to connect the dots. And then I say,
mm.
look, instead of a video on like real estate, I don't have any property.
Yep.
I actually thought if it doesn't work, my parents are selling their property, so I thought I
Yeah.
could get him to do that video, and that would still be cool. But my main goal here would be for him to read, part of the book, to review it, and to
Mm,
do a testimonial, and over the course of a couple of weeks and months, that came together in a way that he got the copies. He managed to sit down and find time to
wow.
look at Be the Lion, and to actually to back it, because that's the other thing. He's not going to back it if he doesn't
Mm,
see any value in it. So that was
yeah.
it was such a amazing moment when I got the email, and actually that video had been done and it came through, and I opened
Yeah.
it up and it's Ryan there going, hey, love the
It
book, love
stands
the
right
like,
out. Yeah. Like
it's
it's a
so
proper endorsement. Yeah. And he's
so
holding it
honest.
onto his hand as well. Is fantastic. It's a great endorsement.
So and it
Yeah.
builds from there, because essentially it's about now, like how, like, I don't want that to be the end of my relationship
Yeah.
with Ryan Serhant and the mentorship that he's inspiring me to
Mm,
give to others as well, because I
mm,
obviously done masterclasses and sales masterclasses,
yeah.
and so it builds from there. And it obviously, you thinking big, you could take that to the, like, let's have dinner, I'm in New York,
Mm.
let's go and you can move it forward.